Here we go look at some fence posts, part of a barn, older wood. If you need to look great, now is the time to use Rejuvenate. All right, so we are looking at some fencing, older wood. How old? 10 years for sure. We're not 100% sure. We have pictures from 15 years ago, I think closer to 20 years ago, that this wood's been up here for this fencing. Used to be an old horse fence that went all along kind of the property. So this is a board that I took off, starting to rot away. I couldn't hold the nails anymore, so I took them off, the ones that were really bad, but we kept some old ones. So the conundrum is, how do we make the old wood look better? It'll never look new. I can never make that board look like that. It's not gonna happen. And it's dumb if you do, because you can buy a new board for a couple bucks. So basically, I just took wood conditioning primer, and I just put primer on these boards, so it kind of filled in nooks and the grain. And then we use Rejuvenate, so the color's beetroot, same as our barn. And then I sprayed it the first coat, which seemed to work okay. The second coat, I used a roller, used a three-quarter core, 3/4 nap roller to get on here. And I just rolled it out. So I just rolled it, got real thick, heavy, got it on there. And I think it looks really good. Again, it's Rejuvenate paint. You can pick whatever color you're looking for, but that's the paint that we used. And then again, good roller. You want to make sure you use good roller to get it so it sticks on there. And you should get long life out of it. We used it on our barn, and you can kind of see parts of that barn. Oh my gosh, it's really rough. However, after we got done putting primer on there, we rolled it. We've rolled the Rejuvenate on there a couple times. So it's got 2 coats of primer, 2 coats of paint with a roller each time. It's solid. All those little nooks and crannies are gone. So even though you can tell it's older wood like this, you can kind of still see some of those little gaps. On the barn, I just kept putting coats of paint on there because I don't want the water to get in there anymore. I don't have to replace any more boards because it's a pain in the butt. So that's how it looks. So if you have older wood, you want to make it look newer, and you want it to last, so at least another 5-10 years, we're gonna get 5 years out of that wood, no problem. But if you want to do the same thing, let us know how we can help. Repainting older wood to make it last longer, so you don't have to worry about replacing your siding right away. If you've got questions on Rejuvenate or other exterior products, even interior products, let us know. We're here to help you out. Hope you have a great day. God bless.